Hey everyone, Meta Questmas and Happy New Year! I just got a Meta Quest 3 and I'm going to be making a new Meta Quest video every single day for the next 12 days, all culminating with a live stream on January 1st, 2026. This is Meta Questmas. My name's Metaverse Philosopher, game developer and YouTuber who's passionate about virtual reality, AI, and the technology that's transforming our world. To all my subscribers and viewers, thank you. I've been making videos for about a year now, and the kind words, the encouragement, the comments that you guys have left along the way, I really appreciate it from my heart. And a special shout out to anyone that's given me feedback on how to improve my videos, especially people bearing with me as I improve my content creation skills. Honestly, over the past year, I've really been winging it. I'm passionate about VR, but becoming a YouTuber has been a new thing. Learning how to edit, learning how to make thumbnails, entertaining hooks. It's all stuff that I gotta improve, and I'm determined to make better content for y'all in 2026. By the way, this is a new microphone I'm using, so let me know if the audio quality sounds better. Alright, so let's talk about first impressions for Meta Quest 3, especially compared to Apple Vision Pro, which I've been making videos on for the past year. So my first impression is, I think the Meta Quest 3 feels pretty sleek, especially compared to its predecessor Meta Quest 2. That being said though, the materials used for the Meta Quest 3 are definitely lower quality than the Apple Vision Pro. That aluminum frame for the AVP gave it such a futuristic look and feel, but I totally understand where the Quest had to make trade-offs because of that lower price point of $500. But at the end of the day, what really matters is what the experience is like once you put the headset on. I'm really excited to try out the Meta Quest 3. Some of the cool apps that I'm going to check out over the next 12 days are VR Chat, Gorilla Tag, and Bone Lab. Stay tuned. Meta Questmas and Happy New Year, everyone. See you tomorrow for Meta Questmas Day 2.